one place to save way to dismantle office chair. Okay. You see on the videos as follows, we have few options. For option number 1, just the hammer. Option number 2, a pipe wrench. So you can use 2 person, lift the chair from a trolley or a table about 5 centimeters high, so the gravity can pull the chair down. Okay, and you're just gonna use the side of the hammer and bang on this, on the piston here. Second step, we can use again 2 person for safety. You lift the piston and the chair 5 centimeters and bang. You can use both sides when it's hard to take it off. Option number 2, the pipe wrench. Please make sure you connect the pipe wrench very close to the end of the gas lift, the top of the gas lift, so you avoid scratching the hydraulic, as you can see on the video.